Okay, folks. I apologize for the little adjusting there. Now, we have eliminated a whole bunch of terms out of both the top equation and the bottom equation. So now we have 2 minus 2 cosine A plus B equaling 2 minus 2 cosine A cosine B plus 2 sine A sine B. Now you're sitting there going, man, do we really need those radicals anymore? Nope. Alright, so now we're going to eliminate some radicals. And we can just kind of do this number here, hopefully. This is what we call squaring both sides of the equation. That way, we can get rid of the radical signs. So the radical signs are gone. Now, what are we going to do? Well, we can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Let's subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Hang on. This is where I get the doodling here. Alright, now look at the equation. We've eliminated the 2 here, and we eliminated the 2 here. That still looks butt ugly, don't it though? Alright, now, why don't we eliminate all these negative signs save 1? So we're going to take both sides of this equation times negative 1. Let's do that. Oops, hang on. Oops. I know you're sitting there going, man, will this ever stop? Yes, it will. Now, you got to admit, this third equation here looks a lot prettier. Okay? Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to divide both sides of this equation by the number 2. That way we can eliminate this, this, and this. And I bet this thing's going to look a lot prettier when we get done. Okay, don't you think that looks better right there? Cosine of A plus B equals cosine of A times the cosine of B minus the sine of A minus the sine of A times the sine of B. That looks much better. Now, why do we always have these, in parentheses like this? The reason is, what we're doing here is we're going to add A plus B, then find the cosine. We're going to find the cosine of A, we're going to find the cosine of B, and then whatever number those become, then we'll multiply it. Okay? Same thing here. We first find the sine of A, then we find the sine of B, Then we multiply whatever we find together. So we don't do any multiplying until we find the sine of A and then the sine of B. And that's how we do that. So, what have we just found? We found the cosine of A plus B in this. That's what we've done. This number here is equal to this number here. Wow. Plug in a few numbers, you'll find out I'm telling the truth. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.